Hi, hello everyone. This is Shailu and I'm here to present you a new video, and I'm here in an ongoing house construction project. Already I have posted a video about column lapping, brickwork, and also about the staircase I have told in another video. If you want that video, kindly check the link I have provided in the description box, and in this video also I'll show you up to the house lintel level. Let's go into the video. This is the front elevation view of the house. Here we have provided a gate. Now we are in the car parking area. The standard car parking size as per CMDA norms is 8 feet 2 inch wide into 16 feet 4 inch long. That is 2.5 meter into 5 meter. You can provide car parking area with sufficient windows too. Generally, elevations are provided for 4 directional views. For example, north, south, east, west. Elevation is the outline of a building. This house is 525 into 525 square feet. This is called stirrups. They are usually one piece of steel bent into rectangular shape. It is used to resist shear and diagonal tension stresses in a concrete structural member. Often, the stirrup is not prefabricated and it is made in field. The spacing of the stirrup along the beam is important and should ideally be specified by engineer. Concrete is made strong by running bars of steel through them. They are provided to hold in place the reinforcement bars. Stirrup improves ductility and strength of structure. It prevents beam from bending and column from buckling. These images shows the column has been failed due to buckling. Stirrups in column construction are commonly known as vertical tries or transverse reinforcement. This is dogleg waist slab type staircase. I have posted few simple videos about design of staircase. If you want, kindly check the link above and also in the description box. Now we are in the first floor. This is the entrance of hall in first floor. Here there is a hall and bedroom. Bedroom with attached toilet. Just windows and door frames has been placed here. This is the entrance of bedroom in first floor. It is up to lintel level. You can see pointing work in brickwork also. These are the simple things we have learned today. I hope this video would really help if you are a fresher. You can get few ideas related to your house construction. If you like this video, kindly subscribe Civil Engineering-Shylus updates to get my future updates, and also share this video to your friends. Thank you.